Before we lay our floor, we got to clean the floor. When they lay carpet, they usually use a lot of glue, and that's what I'm doing. I'm getting that up and making it clean. Next, I want to vacuum all over the floor, especially the corners, underneath the boards, all that. And then I just go along with a wet mop, getting all the dust and some stuff that I might not have gotten up with the vacuum. Next, we'll lay our foam down. This acts as a vapor barrier and also gives it a small cushion when you walk over it. Be sure to measure from wall to wall and divide by the width of the board. This ensures your last row is the same as your first. Another great tip is choose the wall with the least amount of obstacles, like closets or openings. That'll make your first row the strongest. Make sure to get the installation kit because it has all the spacers you're going to need for against the wall and the special tools with the block and a hammer. It's only like $15. Great buy.